Goodman 1.5 ton 14 seer. We got the model number. It's model number GSX 140191KC. Inside air handler, and as you can see, this is the safety switch cutoff. So it's basically a float. So this is a drain, and like any float, it's going to rise with water. And you can see as you might have to twist and take it out. It might be a little stuck, but there is a float. It goes up, boom, cuts the unit off automatically. So it means the drain's clogged. Real inside, and sometimes inside there's like a little, opening there where you can access from the inside. So the vent or whatever. This used to be shop vacked out. Usually that goes outside. So usually the shortest point would be probably there, but they're not going to put it in front of a window. So the unit right here, we got our Goodman over to the drain. As you can see, that sucker is good. Use the shop vac. I'll go inside and listen to see if I can hear like a suction sound of a vacuum. Better to two people. You can have someone inside listening already. If you don't hear the vacuum, then it's still clogged. Just shop vac all that other stuff out of it until you can hear a clean vacuum sound. Hopefully I'll do good when I suck. Ha ha ha. That's water. That's water. See, the hose is vibrating, that's water getting in there. That's a good sign. It's filling up. I can feel it's heavy. I just gotta do this. Inside. I'm gonna go inside and listen to see if I can hear a vacuum. It's just smooth now. I have about 2 to 3 minutes it took. I'm gonna check inside. I'm gonna leave the vacuum on. Kind of still seems like there's water in here. So, see if I could take this thing off and unscrew. Oh, look at that. It ain't screwed. Pretty easy. And he said just dump this out. This will be clean. Float should come back on. Let's see. Wish me luck. See if I sucked real good. There we go. Gonna push that up on there. Gonna float back in there. Boom. This is dry. This is dry. This is dry. This is all. Let's see. Let me see. We got mode, heat, cool. Turning the cool on. Yeah, it's making noise. You put your ear up to it, you can hear it. Oh. Woohoo! Yeah, look. Funny looking guy right there. Please like and subscribe. Oh, gnarly. Woo! Looks whammo. It's a shop vac for you. Harbor Freight. $29 or something, but